Hello from Epcot. It is Flower and Garden Festival. This is my second favorite festival of the year. Epcot is so beautiful when it is in bloom. We are here to check out the topiaries. We are going to check out some snacks and treats. We're going to go see the butterfly garden and so much more. So stick around. It's going to be a fun day. Stop is Florida Fresh here in Communicore Plaza. They have a lot of different things to try. We're going to do the cucumber watermelon slushy, the strawberry shortcake, and the conch fritters. We have the cucumber watermelon slush, we have the conch fritters, the cubanito sandwich, and the strawberry shortcake. Yum, yum! So we have the conch fritters. We're going to try those first. They come with this little dipping sauce. That's really, really good. You get 5 of them, so a good sized portion. And we have the cubanito. It is pork belly, ham, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard on Cuban bread, and it looks delicious. All right, we've got the strawberry shortcake. This is a festival must-have. They have it every year. It kind of comes a little bit deconstructed. You just get a little bite of everything. Very good. I mean, it's a traditional strawberry shortcake. And this is my favorite festival beverage. So many people love the lavender lemonade, but I love the cucumber watermelon slush. So refreshing. All right, friends, over at Communicore Hall, they have the Farmer's Feast. Let's go check this space out. It's always so fun to see what they have going on in here. She was the new topiary last year that was at the main entrance. And now this year she's over near the land. We've made it over by the butterfly landing, which is where you can go in and see all different kinds of plants that attract butterflies. So Butterfly Landing shows you all different types of plants that are butterfly friendly that you can plant in your backyard, as well as having lots of these cocoon houses where the chrysalis of little butterflies are. So all throughout the festival, you can come in and see butterflies and plants blooming that attract butterflies, as well as see the chrysalis houses. And they have fun little learning stations. It's just a fun spot.
That's what you see this one over here.
So a lot of the little learning stations have fun facts about butterflies. This one talks about butterfly colors, and you can turn it to see new information about the different colors of butterflies. Turn it to blue, Molly. All right. It says blue butterfly wings attract, turn it, attract butterfly mates. All right, turn it to the orange. It says orange butterfly wings are warning to predators.
Why?
Because it says, get away, don't eat me. All right, turn the green. And it says green butterfly wings are the perfect camouflage.
Oh yeah, we couldn't show if they wanted to warning, right?
Right.
And rainbow.
That's nice. You got a butterfly. Arizona's calling us.
All right, lift up slowly. There you go. That's so cool, Cannon. Let me see. Oh, so cool. And check out this guy that we found. Maybe he'll end up in one of the chrysalis houses and turn into a beautiful butterfly.
Is it poisonous?
All right, we got the Dole Whip pineapple, banana, and mango smoothie, the tropical smoothie. Go ahead and try it, guys. Is it good? And it comes with a big old piece of pineapple and a beautiful flower. You think you can eat that flower?
No.
Are you sure? Sometimes they're edible.
They're they edible?
Is it good? Kind of tastes like salad, right? You might need to drink some more smoothie.
Is it edible?
It's edible, but he doesn't like the way it tastes.
Well, I shouldn't have tried it.
Drink some more of your smoothie, dude. All right, Cannon, rate the flower. 10 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 1 out of 10,
2
2 out of 10.
out of 10. I rate that drink a 10 out of 10.
You rate the drink a 10 out of 10?
Well, you already ate the pineapple?
She did. She ate the whole thing.
I was hoping for that. Nope.
Hi, Tigger. Molly, can you bounce with Tigger? Bouncy, trouncy, fun, fun, fun.
Good job, Molly.
All right, big hugs. Love it. Good job. Say bye, Tigger. Have a Tiggerific day.
Awesome. Friends, if you also online, just
Oh, God. You are the cutest. You're one of my favorites.
having a great birthday.
Can we get a good picture together, all three of us? All right. Say cheese, Molly. Phineas and Ferb. These guys have not been out at Flower and Garden Festival in quite some time, so it's so cool that they are back this year. And here you have one of the most iconic views of Flower and Garden Festival. This beautiful garden around the lagoon. Play Along Bay. It is a fun playground sponsored by Uncrustables. It is in between the Yacht Grub and the Beach Grub food booths. And look how fun! There's lots of shade and seating, and the playground looks fantastic. And look at this fun little photo op. Which you are here. So cute. The s'mores bar from Beach Grub. It looks delicious.
You're the best.
And it is. Very good. Saffron cake from the Tangerine Cafe. So we're going to start with dessert first and give it a try. That is delicious. And then we have the grilled chicken kebab, also from the Tangerine Cafe. That's pretty good. All right, Cannon, what do you think about the chicken? Is it pretty good? Yeah, apparently you're eating it all. Molly, what do you think about the cake? Kind of like it, iffy. I like it.
Tastes like orange sherbet.
Tastes like it to me. It's so good.
Like orange. Do you taste orange?
We are in Japan and we're going to try the fruit sushi. Go ahead, Molly. Do you think it's good? Thumbs up or thumbs down, Cannon? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Yum. So we have the shrimp and grits and the cinnamon roll bites from Brunchcott. I'm gonna try the shrimp and grits. I'm gonna get a bite of the grits first. It's good flavor, and then I'm gonna try one of the shrimp. That's very good, a little spice. Very good. And I'm gonna let the kids try the cinnamon roll bites. These cinnamon roll bites have some bacon crumbles and they look real yummy. So go ahead and pick one up and try it and tell me what you think. Crispy, crunchy. Are they good? They look delicious.
This forgets the last one.
Are they better than my cinnamon rolls at home? No, I think you're telling a fib. Blossoms of Fragrance presented by Scentsy, and there are delightful smells that you can sniff at each of these little areas. There are hydrangea bouquets. This one is honeysuckle dew, so you can smell in those little scent areas. This one is glorious grapefruit. Over here is hibiscus sunset. Does it smell good, Cannon?
Probably my favorite one.
That's your favorite one? It sounds like it smells good. Serene succulent. And then garden fresh gardenia. Does it smell good? No, it's supposed to smell like these flowers right here, the hydrangeas. Does it smell the same?
No, it does not.
Do you like the actual flowers better? So that's all we've got for today for Flower and Garden Festival. We'll be back before this festival is over. It runs through the end of May, but it was a great first day. We had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.